Welcome. This is how to reapply thermal paste to CPU. So, of course, first one is shut off your PC, unplug it, and ground yourself, and remove the side panel to access your CPU cooler. And after that, just simply remove the cooler by unscrewing the heatsink or cooler evenly in a diagonal pattern, and after that, just simply lift it straight off to avoid smudging old paste. And after that, you can clean the CPU and cooler by using isopropyl alcohol of at least 90% plus with a microfiber cloth or coffee filter. And after that, just simply wipe away all old thermal paste until both surfaces are spotless. And after that, you just simply apply a new paste and place a pea-sized dot in the center of the CPU, and don't spread it manually. Let the cooler's pressure do the work. And after that, just simply reinstall the cooler by placing it back gently, screw it in evenly across corners, and just simply reconnect the fan cable. And from there, you should be able to boot into Windows and use Core Temp or HW monitor to confirm stable temperature.